Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh.
Hello again, biology learners. Welcome back to Gummy Bear Lab Day 2. So today we're going to be looking at our gummy bears and seeing how much mass they gained and hoping we can use that data to figure out the concentration of our unknown solutions. So when you head back to the lab, you're going to go ahead and get your gummy bears and your sauce cups and bring them back to your lab table. And you're going to find at your lab table that you have today just your balance and you have one empty sauce cup. We're going to call this our tare cup. So here we have my gummy bear that I had in the red liquid. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty big. So what I'm going to do, I don't want the gummy bears to go right on the balance. So I'm going to use this cup kind of as a barrier between my yucky gummy bear and my very expensive balance. So I'm going to go ahead and put my tare cup, let me move this so you can see it, put my tare cup on my balance, and then I'm either going to hit the 0 button or I'm going to hit the tare button, depending on what type of balance I'm using. But I want to make sure that even with the cup on the balance, my balance reads 0. So once I have that zeroed out, I'm going to get my cup, I'm going to pour out my liquid, making sure I don't dump my gummy bear down the sink. Okay, so now I have my, oh, it's so yucky. I have my, let's see if I can show you without pouring it out. I have my very giant gummy bear. I'm going to put that gummy bear into my tare cup, and I'm going to record the mass for my red solution on my data table. So once I'm done with my red jelly bear, I'm going to put it back in its original cup. I'm going to dry the cup out, put it back on the balance, make sure it reads 0. I'm going to repeat this procedure for all of the different colors of gummy bear. Now, if you choose to eat your gummy bears at this point in time, that's completely up to you. Personally, that's disgusting. So if you're not going to eat them, make sure they get into the trash can, and then all of your little plastic cups, when you're done, go into the recycling bin. And then head up to the front to do the math and collect class data, and hopefully figure out what the concentrations were of your 6 unknown solutions. I hope you had a good time in this lab, and have a great lab day.
If you did, I did.